Dear students, I am Mahesh, I am from India, and I have discovered something called as magic square puzzles. Now we will see what is magic square puzzles. I think you must be knowing about magic squares, okay? Magic squares are part of mathematics, and so this is an 8 by 8 magic square, okay? So what is 8 into 8? 8 into 8 is 64. So we are using numbers from 1 to 64 in this magic square, and each number is used only once. For example, 31 is used only once here, 39, 26, every number is used only once. You add this way, you get 260. You add this way, you get 260. You add this way, you get diagonals, you get 260, and this diagonals also you get 260. Okay, and just we will check one thing, because all the rows and all the columns and these two diagonals should give you 260. That is the main definition for a magic square. Okay, we are using numbers from 1 to n square, that is 1, here it is n is equal to 8, using numbers from 1 to 64. Okay, 8 into 8 64. So each number is used once, and all the rows, columns, diagonals give you the same magic sum, same total. Okay, that is called the magic sum. We will check one row, one column, and one diagonal. So for example, we will take this one. 63 plus 34, it is 97. 97 plus 30, that is 127. 127 plus 3, 130. So keep it in mind, these 4 is 130. Okay, 59 plus 38. We can put 59 plus 38 as 60 plus 37. Take 1 here and put it here. It becomes 60, this becomes 37. 60 plus 37, 97. 97 plus 26. 97 plus 6, 103. 103 plus 20, 123. 123 plus 7, 130. So this is 130. Already seen, this is 130, this is 130, total 260. Okay, we have checked one row. Okay, we will check one column. So 28 plus 39. So what is this 28 plus 39? So 28 plus 40, you can put as 28 plus 40, that is equal to 68, minus 1, 67. 67 plus 38. 67 plus 8 is 75. 75 plus 30, that is 105. 105 plus 25, 130. So this 4 is 130. See this one, 20 plus 47, 67. 67 plus 46. 67 plus 6, 73. 73 plus 40, that's equal to 113. 113 plus 17, 130. So this is 130, this is 130, total 260. Okay, we have checked one row, we have checked one column. We will check one diagonal. Okay, 1 plus 35, that is 36. 36 plus 30, 66. 66 plus 64, 130. So these 4 numbers gives you 130. What is this? 13 plus 47. 50, 60. 60 plus 18, 78. 78 plus 52, 130. So this is 130, this is 130, total 260. Now we have already seen one row, one column, and one diagonal we have seen. Just we will see this diagonal also. Okay. 57 plus 27. 57 plus 7, 64. 64 plus 20, 84. 84 plus 38. 84 plus 8, 92. 92 plus 30, 122. 122 plus 8, 130. This is 130. Okay, this is what? 53 plus 23, 76. 76 plus 42. 76 plus 2, 78. Then add in tens. 88, 98, 108, 118. So these 3 gives you 118. This is 12. 118 plus 12, 130. So this is 130, this is 130, total 260. Okay, we have seen one row, we have seen one column, we have seen 2 diagonals. Okay, so all these things gives you 230, 230. Take this subsquare. I forgot to tell you something. My 8 by 8 magic squares are little different in the sense they have got 4 by 4 subsquares. This is one subsquare, this is another 4 by 4 subsquare, another 4 by 4 subsquare, this is another 4 by 4 subsquare. Okay, so we have seen this is 130, this is 130, this is 130. Okay, this also it will be 130. Check it out. 5 plus 39, 44. 44 plus 26. 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 plus 60, 130. So this is 130, 130, 130, 130. You have seen this one. So apart from that, there are colored regions here. Okay, we will check them. 5 plus 28. What is 5 plus 28? So 33. 5 plus 28, 33. 33 plus 39. 33 plus 40 you put it. 33 plus 40, 73. 73 minus 1, 72. 72 plus 58, 130. So these four numbers in the same color region gives you 130. What is this? 40 plus 57, 97. 97 plus 6, 103. 103 plus 27, 130. These four numbers gives you 130. What is this? 26 plus 7, 33. 33 plus 60, 93. 93 plus 37, 130. So these four numbers in the colored region gives you 130. What is this? 59 plus 38. You can put it as 60 plus 37. What is 60 plus 37? 97. 97 plus 8, 105. 105 plus 25, 130. So this is also 130. We will see the center 2 by 2. Okay. 39 plus 38. That's equal to, add as 40 plus 40, 80. 80 minus 3. You put it like that, 80 minus 3, 77. 77 plus 27. 77 plus 7, 84. 84 plus 20, 94. 104. 104 plus 26, 130. So you see, this is 130, this is 130, this is 130, this is 130. Apart from that, these four numbers in the same color region gives you 130. These four numbers gives you 130. These four numbers gives you 130. These four numbers gives you 130. Center 2 by 2 also gives you 130. So this 4 by 4 subsquare is like this. This 4 by 4 subsquare is like this. This 4 by 4 subsquare is like this, and this 4 by 4 subsquare is like this. Okay. So only if you understand these properties, you will be able to solve the magic square puzzle. Okay. Now we will be solving one magic square puzzle. Okay. Students, now we will see how to solve this magic square puzzle. Okay, this magic square puzzle has been created by me, and you can go to my website www.magicsquarepuzzles.com, and you can log on to that and solve these puzzles. And you can also buy my books in Amazon. Okay, I have published my books. If you want to, you can buy those books in Amazon also. Okay, so now we will give a little bit overview of this puzzle. So this is an 8 by 8 magic square puzzle. Okay, this contains numbers from 1 to 64. Each number is used only once. So I have given 64, 6, 13, 55. 4 numbers I have given to you. Okay, that means out of 64 numbers, I have given you 4 numbers. Balance 60 numbers you have to find out. Okay, so no number repeats. So this 8 by 8 magic square, so this contains 4 4 by 4 subsquare. This is one 4 by 4 subsquare. This is another 4 by 4 subsquare. Another 4 by 4 subsquare. Another 4 by 4 subsquare. Okay. So this gives you 130. This gives you 130. This gives you 130. This gives you 130. And this colored region, 4 numbers the same color gives you 130. These 4 numbers gives you 130. These 4 numbers gives you 130, and these 4 numbers gives you 130. Center 2 by 2 of any 4 by 4 subsquare gives you the magic sum 130. Okay, these are the general rules. Apart from that, you see this is the dotted line. Okay, that's the number 58 given here. What is the meaning for that? Add these 3 numbers, you get 58. Okay, and add these 3 numbers, you get 120. So that's the idea behind it. Okay, now we will go and solve this magic square puzzle. Okay, you can solve this magic square puzzle, start anywhere, go anywhere, come anywhere. There's no particular order that you have to follow. Okay, now we'll start here. Okay, so what is this? These 3 numbers are 67, and these 4 numbers, the same color region gives you 130. What is this? 130 minus 67, that's equal to 63. Okay, so what is this? Center 2 by 2 gives you 130. This is 63. These two are 19. 63 plus 19. So 63 plus 20 is 83. 83 minus 1, 82. So these 3 numbers gives you 82. These 4 numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 82. That's equal to 48. Okay. What is this? These 2 numbers are 109. This is 48. So what is this? This is 61. 61 plus 48, that's equal to 109. Okay, so then what else you can find out? Can you find out this one? Yes. This is 64. These two numbers are 19. 64 plus 19. You put it like this. 64 plus 20, 84. 84 minus 1, 83. Okay. These three numbers are 83. Four numbers are 130. This is what? 130 minus 83. That's equal to 47. So these two numbers are 48. One we have found out to be 47. What is the other one? 48 minus 47, 1. Okay. What is this? These four numbers in the same color region gives you 130. These two numbers are 109. This is 1. 109 plus 1, 110. And we know these four numbers, the same color region gives you 130. What is this? 130 minus 110, that's equal to 20. Okay. So then, what else you can find out? You can find out this one. Okay. So these four numbers should give you 130. These two numbers are 48. This is 20. 48 plus 20 is equal to 68. These three numbers are 68. These four numbers are 130. 130 minus 68. This is equal to 62. Okay. Then what else you can find out? So after this part, it is very difficult to proceed because there is no enough clue here to find out other numbers. But one thing, you can find out this number and you can solve this one. Okay. So these two numbers are 117 and these three numbers are 58. Okay. So what is this 5 numbers? 117 plus 58. You put it like this. 117 plus 8, 125. 125 plus 50, 175. These 5 numbers are 175. We know these 4 numbers are 130. This is 175 minus 130, that's equal to 45. This is equal to 45. So now what is this? Okay, this is what? 45 plus 48, 93. 93 plus 20, 103, 113. So these three numbers are 113. 4 numbers are 130. 130 minus 113, 17. This is 17. What is this? These two numbers are 19. This is what? 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. Okay. Now what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. 47 plus 62, 109. 109 plus 2, 111. These three numbers are 111. These four numbers are 130. This is what? 130 minus 111, 19. Okay. What is this? You can do it these two way. These four numbers gives you 130 or these four numbers gives you 130. Whichever way you want, you can put it. Okay. 64 plus 45 is equal to 109. 109 plus 17, 116, 126. So these three numbers are 126. These four numbers in the same color region gives you 130. 130 minus 126, that's equal to 4. So can you solve this one? Yes, you can solve this one. These four numbers should give you 130. 63 plus 48, you can put it like this. Take 2 from here, put it in 48. So this becomes 63 becomes 61, 48 becomes 50. 50 plus 61, 111. 111 plus 1, 112. These three numbers gives you 112. These four numbers gives you 130. This is equal to 130 minus 112. This is equal to 18. Okay. So what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. 63 plus 17, 70, 80. 80 plus 4, 84. These three numbers gives you 84. Four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 84, 46. So what is this? So you can put it in several ways. So these four numbers equal to 130. These four numbers equal to 130. These four numbers equal to 130. Or these four numbers equal to 130. These three numbers equal to 67. Whichever way you want to, you can put it like that. Okay. Now you can put it 62 plus 63, 125. 125 plus 2, 127. 127. These three are 127. These four should be 130. This is 130 minus 127. This is equal to 3. Just we will check it out. Okay. 46 plus 3, 49. 49 plus 18, 67. So that works out. Okay. Now we have finished. one part of the 4 by 4 magic square. Okay, we will solve the next one shortly. Now we will solve this part of the 4 by 4. Okay, now what is this? Can you find out this one? Yes, this is 6 and these two numbers gives you 64. Okay, 64 plus 6, 70. These three numbers gives you 70. We know these four numbers should give you 130. Okay, so this is what? 130 minus 70, that's equal to 60. Okay, that's equal to 60. Okay, this is 60, this is 19. 60 plus 19, 79. Okay, these three numbers are 120. Okay, what is this? This is equal to 120 minus 79. You put it like this, 120 minus 79, you can put it as 100 minus 79, 21. 21 plus 20, 41. Okay, this is 41. Apart from that, can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out. These two numbers are 117. This is 6. Three numbers, 117 plus 6, 123. These three numbers are 123. These four numbers, the same color region gives you 130. This is 130 minus 123. This is 7. This is 7. What is this? So these two numbers are 64. This is 7. 64 minus 7, 57. Okay. Now, what else you can find out? Can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out this one. So these two numbers are 64 and these three numbers are 108. So these five numbers are 108 plus 64, 164, 172. Okay, so 108 plus 4 is equal to 112, 112 plus 60, 172. So these five numbers are 172. We know center 2 by 2 gives you 130. 172 minus 130, that's equal to 42. Okay, this is 42. And can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out that one. This is 41 and this is what? 108 minus 42. So put it like this. 100 minus 42 is equal to 58. 58 plus 8 is equal to 66. Okay. 41 plus 66. This is 66. 41 plus 66. 67, 107. Okay. This is equal to 23. Okay, that's equal to 23. So now we got it, but still we are stuck up here. Now we don't get any further clue to solve this puzzle. So what we have to do? We have to get clues from here. Okay, so from here we have got all the clues. Only thing, from here we have to get the clues. Okay, so now leave this puzzle at this stage. Now come back. Okay, so can you find out this one? Yes, these three numbers are 115. We know these four numbers are 130. What is this? 130 minus 115, this is equal to 15. What is this? These two numbers are 101. This is 15. 101 plus 15, 116. These three numbers are 116. Four numbers are 130. The 130 minus 116, this is equal to 14. This is 14. What is this? 31. Because 45 minus 14 is equal to 31. So 14 plus 31 is equal to 45. So now we have finished this one, completed this one. You can come here. This is 13. These two numbers are 101. So 101 plus 13, 114. These three numbers are 114. Four numbers are 130. This is what? 130 minus 114. This is equal to 16. Okay, 16. What is this? These two numbers are 68. This is 16. So this is what? 68 minus 16, 52. So now what is this? So these four numbers should give you 130. This is 52 and these two numbers are 45. So 52 plus 45, 97. So what is this? These three numbers are 97. These four numbers are 130. 130 minus 97, this is equal to 33. This is 33. What is this? So you see, this is 33, this is 23. So both these things add together to give you 56. Okay, so this is what 99 minus 56. So 66, 76, 86, 96, 43. 43. So what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. So what is this? 42 plus 43, 85. 85 plus 23, 88, 98, 108. So these three numbers are 108. This is 130 minus 108, 22. Okay. So what is this? These three numbers are 108 or these four numbers are equal to 130. Whichever way you want to, you can put it. So 41 plus 22 is equal to 63. 63 plus 23 is equal to 66, 86. Here you put 44. Okay, here you put 44. Now, so you can find out this one. Diagonal should give you 130. Okay, so what is this? 43, 57 plus 22 is equal to 79. 79 plus 43, 79 plus 3, 82, 82 plus 40, 122. So these three numbers are 122. This is 130 minus 122 is equal to 8. Okay, 8. So what is this? So these four numbers gives you 130. So 60 plus 57, 117. 117 plus 8, 125. So this 130 minus 125 is equal to 5. Okay. So now, so what is this? Can you find out this one? Yes. So 5 plus 57, 62. 62 plus 44. 62 plus 4, 66. 66 plus 40, 106. These three numbers are 106. Four numbers are 130. This is 130 minus 106, 24. So what is this? So these four numbers equal to 130, or these four numbers equal to 130, or these four numbers equal to 130. Whichever way you want to, you can put it like that. Okay. So 60 plus 41, 101. 101 plus 8, 109. So these three numbers gives you 109. These four numbers gives you 130. 130 minus 109, that's equal to 21. Okay. Now, can we solve this one? Yes. These four numbers gives you 130. So 23 plus 43, 66. 66 plus 6, 72. These three numbers gives you 72. Four numbers gives you 130. 130 minus 72, 58. Okay. What is this? So see, this is 58. 58 plus 5, 63. 63 plus 8, 71. So here you put 59. Okay. So now we have finished two part of the magic squares. Okay. Now we will finish other parts also shortly. So now we will solve this one. Okay. These four numbers should give you 130. Okay. 52 plus 14, 66. 66 plus 15. 66 plus 5, 71. Plus 10, 81. These three numbers are 81. Four numbers are 130. 130 minus 81, that's equal to 49. Okay. That is 49. What else you can find out? Okay. You can find out this one, because these four numbers should give you 130. Okay. So these two numbers are 68. 68 plus 33. 68 plus 3, 71. 71 plus 30, 101. So these three numbers are 101. Four numbers gives you 130. 130 minus 101, 29. Okay. Now what else you can find out from this place? Now we are also stuck up here. Okay. But if you can find out this one, you can solve the entire puzzle. So these two numbers are 35. This is 127. 35 plus 127. You put it like this. Okay. So 27 plus 5. 127 plus 5, 132. 132 plus 30, 162. So these five numbers are 162. And we know these four numbers are 130. This is 162 minus 130, that's equal to 32. Now we can solve this puzzle. Okay, this part. What is this? These four numbers should give you 130. 32 plus 13, 45. 45 plus 49. 45 plus 50, 95, 95 minus 1, 94. So these three numbers are 94, these four numbers are 130, 130 minus 94, 36. Okay, what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. 49 plus 36, 85, 85 plus 15, 100. So these three numbers gives you 100, four numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 100, 30. Now what is this? This diagonal should give you 130. Okay, 36 plus 15, 51. 51 plus 29, 51 plus 9, 60, 60 plus 20, 80. These three numbers gives you 80. So these four numbers gives you 130. 130 minus 80, that's equal to 50. What is this? These two numbers are 101. This is 50. This is 51. Okay, what is this? So 51 plus 15, 66. 66 plus 30, 96. Here you put 34. Okay, what is this? So these four numbers gives you 130, or these four numbers gives you 130. These four numbers gives you 130. Whichever way you want to, you can put it. So 50 plus 16, 66. 66 plus 29. 66 plus 29, you can put it as 66 plus 30, 96. 96 minus 1, 95. This is equal to 130 minus 95. That's equal to 35. Okay. Now we have finished this three part. Okay. Now we will complete the fourth part. Okay. Now we will finish this part. Okay. You can start this way also. Here this part you can find out. These four numbers should give you 166. Okay. 62 plus 21. What is that? 63, 83. 83 plus 29. 83 plus 30 you put, or 82 plus 30. 62 plus 21 is equal to 83. 83 plus 29. You can put it as 82 plus 30. 82 plus 30, 92, 102, 112. Okay. So these three numbers gives you 112. But these four numbers gives you 166. Okay. This is 166 minus 112. Add in tens. 122, 32, 42, 52, 62. So 54. You can put it as 54. You add these four, you get 166. Okay. So then, what else you can find out? Can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out this one. These four numbers give you 130. 55 plus 35, that's equal to what? 60, 90. These three numbers gives you 90. Four numbers gives you 130. This is what? 130 minus 90, that's equal to 40. This is what? 26. What is this? 55 plus 66. So 55 plus 66. 55 plus 6, 61. 61 plus 60, 121. So these three numbers gives you 121. These four numbers gives you 130. This is 130 minus 121. That's equal to 9. Okay. So then, can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out this one. These three numbers gives you 72. 35 plus 9 is equal to 44. Okay. This is what? 72 minus 44. Add in tens. So these two numbers are 44, 54, 64, 74. Here you put 28. So what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. Okay. 54 plus 28. That's equal to 52 plus 30, 82. 82 plus 9, 91. These three numbers are 91. So this is what? 39. Okay. This is 39. So then what is this? These four numbers equal to 130. Okay. 39 plus 9, 48. 48 plus 26. 48 plus 6, 54. 54 plus 20, 74. Three numbers are 74. These four numbers are 130. This equal to 130 minus 74, 56. Okay. Then what else you can find out? Can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out. These two numbers are 66 and these three numbers are 91. So these five numbers are 66 plus 91. You put it like this: 90 plus 60, 150. 1 plus 6, 7, 157. These five numbers are 157. These four numbers are 130. This 157 minus 130, that's equal to 27. Okay. So this is 127. What else you can find out? So can you find out this one? Yes, you can find out this one. So these three numbers are 70, this is 20. So what is these two numbers are up to? 70 minus 20, 50. Okay, these two numbers are 50. So this is 27. Okay, 50 plus 27, 77. These three numbers are 77. These four numbers gives you 130. The 130 minus 77, 53. Okay, then what is this? These three numbers are 91. So 27 plus 53, 53 plus 7, 60, 60 plus 20, 80. So this is 91 minus 80, this is 11. Okay, so now what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. So 53 plus 11 is equal to 64. 64 plus 28. 64 plus 8, 72. 72 plus 20, 92. These three numbers are 92. Four numbers are 130. 130 minus 92, that's equal to 38. Okay, this is 38. After that, can you find out this one? Yes. So these three numbers are 70. 20 plus 38, 58. Here you put 12. Okay, so then what else you can find out? You can find out this one. Okay, these four numbers should give you 130. 12 plus 38, 50. 50 plus 55, 105. These three numbers are 105. So this is what? 130 minus 105, that's equal to 25. This is 25, this is 10. Okay, so then this is the last number that you have to find out. So these four numbers gives you 130. Okay, so or these four numbers gives you 130. So 12 plus 27, 39. 39 plus 54, 39 plus 4, 43, 43 plus 50, 93. These three numbers are 93, four numbers are 130, this is 130 minus 93, 37. Okay, so now we have finished one magic square puzzle in full. Okay, so in solving this one magic square puzzle, you have used hundreds of you have done hundreds of calculations involving addition, subtraction, and also there is a logic involved in it. Sudoku is a logic puzzle. It's a purely logic puzzle. You can play Sudoku with numbers, with figures, with symbols, etc. But this magic square puzzle involves both arithmetic and logic. Okay, so once you solve only one puzzle, even one puzzle, your proficiency in maths goes up, or mental calculation goes up, and you will no longer fear mathematics. Okay, that's the advantage of solving magic square puzzle. Okay, now we will see with some other puzzle at some other time. Till then, bye.